This is a more detailed instruction on how to do the floor mats. Because I've done so many of them, I just assumed all those tiny steps in between would be understood. So I'm going to give you this information now. One of the things you have to do is get a piece of linoleum from a local carpet store, one that they're throwing out. And I'm going to just use this piece of canvas as if it's a piece of linoleum. And you need some normal wall paint, latex paint, water-based, whatever, with the roller, and you just roll the paint on both sides. And I found if you wanted to do several of them, lay them all down with the good side facing up and paint the whole thing, let them dry. Then you turn it over and you do the underside all the way. And when they're dry, that's when you start your other work. We're going to use the underside of the piece of linoleum because that's just the best way to do it. You don't have all of the grooves from the fake tiles and whatnot. Once you've got that all ready, you've figured out your design. And in the case of the children's feet, you can just draw all around the feet and the hands that you want. Or you can do the detailed pieces and draw that all in with pencil. After that, paint in all of the different colors that you want using acrylic-based paint. I suggest you use the high-density acrylic paint, but you can also use the liquid paint. It just doesn't hold up as well. For the accent, you can use the liquid if you're using gold or something just to give it a sparkle. When that's all dried, take a nice magic marker and outline everything. Be sure to sign the work somewhere. Each person, especially if it's a child, have them put their name on it somewhere. And then when that's really dry, spray varnish it and it's all done. I hope that you have some fun doing this. Take care. Bye.